Good afternoon, lovely viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. In this section, I want us to look at indices and logarithms. But for now, let's focus on indices. So indices is also the same as the index form or the index notation. Now imagine coming across this situation whereby you have a number, let's say 2, being multiplied by itself for a number of times. So do we have an easier way of representing this particular expression? In this case, we have a number which is 2. And then this 2 is being multiplied by itself. How many times? We can do the counting together. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 2 is being multiplied by itself 5 times. 2 is being multiplied by itself 5 times. So anytime you come across a situation whereby a number is being multiplied by itself a number of times, and we express that expression in this form, then we are looking at the index form or the index notation. Now let's go into details to this number. So we said that, or we saw that a number which is 2, so in this case the number 2, when it is written in this form, the number 2 has a specific name which is called the base. So the bigger number here is called the base, and then the smaller number is called the index, or you can choose to call it exponent. Again, we can also choose to call it power. So as we saw, this could be read as 2 index 5. It could also be read as 2 exponent 5. It can also be read as 2 power 5. Now, what does the index tell us? So the index tells us the number of times the base is being multiplied. So that is it for the index form or the indices. So the index tells us the number of times the base is being multiplied. So that is all about the index form. So a situation whereby a number is being repeatedly multiplied by itself for some number of times, this could be represented in index form, an easier way of representing that number. In this example, we had a number which is 2 being multiplied by itself 5 times, and this can be expressed in index form as 2 exponent 5. So 2 index 5. This is read as 2 index exponent or power 5. Okay, so let's continue the lesson. We have the question. We are to write the following in index form. So anytime you hear about index form, what should come in mind? It means that we are to write the given expression as a single number. And then this single number should have a base and then an index. Should have a base and an index. So let's begin with the A. We have a number which is 5, which is being repeatedly multiplying itself. So let's count the number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 5 being multiplied by itself 6 times. So that is represented as 5 index 6 or 5 exponent 6. Now let's also try the b. So for the b, we also have a number which is 1 out of 3 being multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. And this can be written in index form as 1 out of 3 index 4. Now let's also try the c. What should be the answer? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. So I know you got the answer. So we can look at, or we can begin with the 4. See that 4 is multiplying itself 3 times. And this is written as 4 index 3. And again, for 11 too, you see that 11 is multiplying itself 2 times. So that should be the answer. So that is it for indices. So we shall continue in lesson 2. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, comment, and share the videos for others to also benefit. See you next time.